When you are looking for rentals, it very much reminds of the process of looking for a house or a condo to buy. The only difference is you can close on a rental within 1 day. Usually it lasts a week, but on the real estate transaction, when you're buying a property, it's usually up to 2 months. Unless it's a cash transaction, then it can be much faster. When you're looking for a rental, you don't have to come to the appointment with all the things that are required for you to submit the application, meaning your tax records, your credit score, your employment letter, verification of income, and stuff like that. You just scan it and send it to your real estate agent for approval, and then the real estate agent is going to submit it where it's needed. You might be asked to fill out a separate application checking your credit and criminal history, but that's another thing, and your real estate agent should be able to guide you in that direction. However, when you're looking for homes, it's the same process as looking for a house to buy. That when you find your dream rental, then you can actually fill out the application, you can submit all the documents, your agent is going to negotiate on your part, and you can close the next day and you can move in if the property is available. So it's much shorter process because usually you can close very quickly on it. Nonetheless, it's a real estate transaction that you have to be aware of all the rules and regulations, but if you have a good agent, they're going to help you with that.